This drought affects the farmers, their production, because their production is depend on rain-fed production. So that shortage of rain reduces their production. This production also affects children, especially children affected by this shortage of food. They are hungry more of the time. A sponsorship helps children to get food, education, and to live better life. Because World Vision, most of the time, World Vision works to increase the production, the availability of food. They can get food easily. It helps us continue their education, or it creates education access. So children, especially children, get us food, education, and they can live now better life.